Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Be Kind box. This is a really cute idea for a subscription. I love this concept. So this box is for people who want to spread kindness. Simple as that. Each box comes with 5 gifts that you can pass on to your friends, your coworkers, your trash man, your your taxi cab driver, whoever, just strangers on the street. If you want to just share a smile, this box you can do that with. It's $29.99 a month. Shipping is free. I'm going to link down below to them. I will also link to my full review so you can check that out. That doesn't belong here. All right, so here's our card. Your Be Kind box has gifts to share, just a little way to show you care. Spreading kindness is easy and fun. It's time to decide who gets the first one. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So here it all is. Who am I going to share these with? When life gives you lemons, squeeze. So this is really cute. Okay, so it's a little lemon squish toy. So you give this to somebody who's going through a tough time. Oh, and it's a little stress ball, which is really cool. I like that idea. All right, next we have your Tea-rific. And this is Davidson's Organic Earl Grey Classic Tea. It's fair trade certified, rich and delicious black tea, and has 8 tea bags in it. So they're all pre-packaged too. It's like you're just getting a bunch of gifts that you can pass on to people. I love it. Isn't that neat? I think it's so cool. Let me know what you think down below. I'm curious. All right. Relax. You deserve it. It's a bath bomb. Oh, it smells good. It smells like soap. It doesn't say who makes everything. I don't know if Be Kind box, I mean, clearly they don't make the tea, it's Davidson's, but I don't know if they make the bath bombs or they buy the bath bomb. But anyway, there's a little bath bomb you can pass on to somebody. All right, next we have, I'm so excited, a note card set. Exercise your rights. Be kind, spread kindness. So these are little, like, note cards that you can give to somebody to, like, give out to people. And this is from Iota, everyiota.com. Interesting. And then on the back it has that like little, it's so cute. All right, finally, there is a little change purse. This is Kindness Changes Everything. This has like a little retro kind of bohemian feel to it. I love it. It says art. Who am I going to give these to? Who should I give them to? I don't even know. Now I'm going to sit and think about it for the rest of the day. But it does inspire you to like be giving and nice and thoughtful. Like who could use this? Who in my life could use this little smile? So if you're interested in checking out my full review, I'm going to link to that. I will also link to the Be Kind box so you can check them out. As always, you want to say goodbye? Lickster? Over here licking your legs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.